Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Btech. In this video I will explain big MNC company hiring and as well as link in the description box below. Before starting the video, I kindly request you to please do subscribe for more updated job alerts. And one thing I want to tell you that in recent times I did not post any updated video due to some personal issues. From now I will post updated job alerts regularly. And back to video. There is a company name Tech. It is a MNC company, guys, who are eligible for this drive. 2026 passed out Btech students can apply easily, and departments are CSE, IT, EEE, ECE and EIC. They clearly mention that 10th inter and UG or PG having the 70 or more percentage marks in their semesters. And job location is, I think they did not mention that. The interview locations are only two cities, that is Bangalore and Chennai, and I will share the job link in the description box below and first comment also as well as. And this is the link. After clicking this link you will redirect it to this page. If you having the login credits, log in to it or else register, guys. Do not forget the email ID which you enter here, because the all updated mails are comes to that email ID. And before applying to this job, make sure that update your resume according to these requirements. And that's enough, guys. Have a nice day.